Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you about clothes and fabrics for the student of class 4th and lesson 3. At first we will discuss about the name of the lesson, clothes and fabrics. Clothes and fabrics are not dissimilar to each other, but they are very similar to each other, because clothes, that substance in which we use for wearing, and fabrics are that substance, it means a piece of clothes. Piece of clothes are known as the fabrics. So now today we will discuss about necessity of clothes, different types of clothes we wear, care of clothes, how clothes are made. We will discuss about the following terms. At first, necessity of clothes, कपड़ों की आवश्यकता. Different kinds of clothes we wear. अलग अलग जगहों पे आप अलग अलग तरह के क्लोथ्स को वियर करते हो. केयर ऑफ क्लोथ्स, हाउ वी केयर ऑफ क्लोथ्स, हाउ क्लोथ्स आर मेड, कपड़े कैसे बनते हैं. सो कम ऑन द टॉपिक. At first we will discuss about necessity of the clothes. Necessity of the clothes. It is very important for us of clothes because clothes protect us from heat, cold, rainy, and also different types of infectious disease. Okay? Clothes provide us a specific culture, civilization, tradition, and our personality. Clothes ज़रूरी है. It is very important because ये हमें ठंडी, गर्मी, बरसात और इन्फेक्शन से भी बचाता है. क्लोथ्स एक स्पेसिफिक रिलीजन, ट्रेडिशन और उस स्पेसिफिक पर्सन की पर्सनालिटी को भी शो करता है. सो इट इज वेरी नीड्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ क्लोथ वी वियर. You know, it is true that we wear clothes at different places on the different kinds. अलग अलग जगहों पे आप अलग अलग तरह का क्लोथ्स पहन के जाते हो. Like if you go in your school, then you wear your school uniform. If you go any party, then we wear a fancy dresses. If doctor and soldier wear their specific uniform, and the clothes determine the specific culture, tradition, and their personality also. If you wear uniform, then anybody can say that they are students for this school. Doctor and soldiers are go, then we can say that they are soldier and doctor for their specific clothes. Specific clothes are determined to their personality, their tradition, their culture. Okay? Now we will discuss about care of clothes. If clothes are very necessary for us, then we should take care of them for the proper condition. How we take care of clothes? Care of clothes are very important according to your thinking. How you put your clothes? If you put your clothes with properly, then they last longer. So care of clothes are some ways are following here for taking care of clothes. At first, by proper washing, drying, mending and ironing. अच्छे तरह से आप उसको वॉश करके, ड्राई करके, मैंडिंग करके और आयरनिंग करके आप क्लोथ्स को मेंटेन कर सकते हो, उसका टेक केयर कर सकते हो. ओके. एंड stored in wardrobe. It means wardrobes are used for putting clothes in with properly. And also we use mothball, which helps to our clothes from the moths. We use also mothballs in your wardrobes for preventing the clothes. And using a good quality of detergent. It is very important. Good quality detergent and soaps are used for way of the taking care of the clothes. ये बहुत ज़रूरी बात है. डिटर्जेंट का यूज़ भी हम सोच समझ के करते हैं. ओके. नाउ we will discuss about how clothes are made. Clothes are very important for us. Different kinds of clothes we wear in different kinds of places according to our specific tradition, personality and culture, religion. Taking care of clothes are also important. Then now we will discuss about how clothes are made. जब ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे लिए ज़रूरी हैं तो कपड़े बनते कैसे हैं, कहाँ से कपड़े बनते हैं, कैसे बनते हैं. Then our answer is that clothes are made from fibers. Then now we will discuss about fiber. What is fiber? Fiber is a substance hair-like structure, a hair-like structure, thread-like structure, thin-like structure, which are obtained from plants and animals for making the clothes, are known as the fibers. Hair-like structure which are obtained from animals and plants both. So this type of substance are called fiber. Fibers are classified into two groups, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. At first, I have taught you that fibers are obtained from plants and animals. So there are two types of fiber. अभी मैंने कहा कि fibers प्लांट्स एनिमल्स दोनों से ऑब्टेन करते हैं. तो प्लांट फाइबर के दो टाइप्स होंगे, उनका दो ग्रुप होगा, नेचुरल फाइबर एंड सिंथेटिक फाइबर. नेचुरल फाइबर, दैट फाइबर विच आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. कैसे दैट फाइबर विच आर obtained from plants and animals, because plants and animals both are obtained from nature. यहाँ हम प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स दोनों से जो प्राप्त किए गए जो फाइबर हैं, जो रेशा हैं, फाइबर मीनिंग रेशा. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फाइबर are obtained from plants and animals. Then we can say that plants and animals both are obtained from nature, because we cannot make plant, we cannot live animals, we cannot make animals and humans. हम लोग एनिमल्स और प्लांट को नहीं बनाते हैं. कौन बनाता है, कहाँ से प्रोवाइड होता है, ये नेचर से प्रोवाइड होता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फाइबर आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू ग्रुप्स. Which groups? Plants fiber and animals fiber. Now we will discuss about plants fiber. What is plants fiber? Plants fibers are that fibers which are obtained from plants. उस फाइबर को हम प्लांट्स फाइबर कहेंगे जो हमें ऑब्टेन्ड होते हैं, जो हमें प्राप्त होते हैं. कहाँ से? प्लांट से, पौधों से. इस तरह के फाइबर को प्लांट्स फाइबर कहते हैं. जैसे कॉटन, जूट, लाइनिन. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फाइबर्स आर नोन एज द प्लांट फाइबर. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट एनिमल्स फाइबर. Animal fiber is very simple. If plants fiber made from plants, then we can say that animal fiber obtained from animals. See, plants fiber, jute, cotton, linen, coir, they are called plant fiber. And animal fiber, wool, silkworm, obtained from animal. So this type of fibers which are obtained from animals, this type of fibers are known as the animal fibers. Wool and silkworm. Wool are obtained from sheep, goat, and also we can say some foreign countries in which one special types of camels which are obtained from, which are provide wool. So also we can include it in this camel. Silkworm are obtained from silk. Silk are obtained from silkworm. Silkworms provide silk. Silk are obtained from silkworm, and this type of fiber are known as the animal fiber. So now we will discuss about synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber. Here we clear that natural fiber, plant fiber and animal fiber. Natural fiber which are obtained from animal and plant. This type of fiber is called natural fiber, and both fibers are very simple. Plant fiber which are obtained from plant are called plant fiber, which fiber are called obtained from animals are called animal fiber. Now we will discuss about synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers are that fiber which are made from chemical by the activities of human activities. So this type of fibers are known as synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber made from chemical. So synthetic fiber further classified into some groups like nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic. Nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic are synthetic fiber which are made from a special chemical. Now we will discuss briefly about nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic very briefly, not deeply. Nylon is made from New York and London. New York plus London. It means Nile plus London make nylon. Okay, beta. So nylon are made from two places, New York and London. They are made from petrochemical. They are made from petrochemical. They are very strong. Nylon are very strong, elastic, and durable. Strong, so strong that we use nylon for making raincoat, coat, and also ropes for climbers. वे क्लाइंबर्स जो माउंटेन पे चढ़ते हैं उनकी जो रस्सियाँ बनती हैं वो नायलॉन से ही बनती हैं. इतना स्ट्रांग होता है नायलॉन. एंड इलास्टिक टूटते नहीं हैं बल्कि वो इलास्टिक होते हैं, लचीला होते हैं, फैलते हैं. ड्यूरेबल बहुत लंबे समय तक टिकाऊ होता है, ड्यूरेबल होता है. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट रेयॉन. रेयॉन आर obtained from wood pulp. Wood pulp गुदा. किसका? लकड़ी का, प्लांट का जो पल्प है उस पल्प से हम रेयॉन को ऑब्टेन करते हैं. सो वुड पल्प provide rayon. Rayon are also used for cloth, but rayon are used for making cloth with blended to the other fiber like cotton, wool. If we use rayon for making bed sheet and pillow cover, then mostly we use blended with cotton. And if we use rayon for making bandage, then we blended with wool. So rayon are also used for making clothes, and they are called synthetic fiber. Polyester are also made from petrochemical. At first we have cleared about the fiber which are synthetic fiber and made from chemical. Now polyester are also made from petrochemical like nylon. They have the strongest, elastic and durable. They are flammable, but polyester are inflammable. And at last we will discuss about acrylic. Acrylic look like wool, so we use acrylic for making winter wear clothes like shawl, sweater, sport wearing. Okay, thank you.